Hello all, Simon Toohey here, brand ambassador for Dilmah, and I've got a cocktail for you that you are gonna love. This one, a martini, but not any martini. This is Dilmah's Chamomile Tea Martini with wild strawberry vermouth. It is a pearler of a cocktail, so let's get started. I'm taking 70 mils of gin and I'm gonna pour that into a glass with 2 tea bags of Dilmah's Chamomile tea. Put that in there cold. You want this to slowly infuse as a cold extraction. Push the tea bags down a little bit into the gin just to extract more flavor and then set that aside. You can make this the day before, and so therefore your chamomile gin or vodka will be ready the next day for when you want to make this cocktail. When you have your tea infused in your gin or your vodka, pour that into a mixing glass. Then follow it with your wild strawberry vermouth. Take that and pour that into your mixing glass as well. We're using 20 mils today. You can use more or less, it's totally up to you. Then add a big hunk of ice or any ice from the freezer into your mixing glass and stir and stir and stir. You want to stir for quite a while. You want dilution with this. You don't want to just taste straight gin mixed with a little bit of vermouth. And then with your cocktail glass, whether it's a Nicanora, a Coupette, a Martini glass, totally up to you, get the liquid and slowly pour or strain the liquid into your glass. Should be nice, soft colors of rose, really beautiful sort of hint of yellow from that chamomile tea. Finish it with a zest of lemon. Lemon, wild strawberry, chamomile and gin. Match made in heaven. Definitely something to be making at home. This is my Dilmah tea, chamomile and wild strawberry martini. Enjoy.